Our third drawing this week is going to be cross contour line. So we did our blind contour in pencil and fill a page, do more than one if you can. And we did our pen and ink practice and then our pen and ink drawing of our still life. And now we really know our subject really well. Now we're going to do one final contour drawing called the cross contour drawing. And for this drawing, you can use any medium you like. You can continue in pen and ink, of course, and you can use any of the charcoals or pencils that we have used so far. This is a line drawing, so it doesn't really matter. We're not going to worry too much about value here. But we're going to try to describe the form, and we're going to try to just analyze the form. So we know this form really well now. We've drawn it 3 or 4 times. For a cross contour drawing, it's okay to begin with a little light sketch just to get the objects on the page. So this is your third page. This is your cross contour drawing. So it is a contour line drawing, but instead of just describing the exterior contours of the form, we're actually going to try and describe the interior contours too. So the reason I chose pencil for this drawing is just because it's faster than dipping the pen over and over again. So what we're doing is just trying to describe the form as if we're overlaying a sort of a grid onto it. So it's a contour line drawing, but the rules aren't quite as rigid as your blind contour or even your pen and ink contour, in that you can lift your pencil. You can, I suppose you could erase if you wanted to. It's not really necessary to erase. And you're trying to just find the contours of the form. So this split form is actually quite complex, whereas the simple pomegranate not quite so complex. So it's almost like you're drawing a grid or a spiral over the form. Now I still want to make a contour drawing, so I'm still drawing the little star-shaped things. And I'm still I'm still more or less not lifting my pencil too much and focusing more on line. But you see how you start to, instead of just being super concerned with outline, you're actually now concerned with describing form in here as well. So keep going until you've got a nice, accurate description of the cross contours as well as the exterior contours of the subject.